Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we had an example this week of Microsoft wondering how it actually handles security updates, and sometimes you wonder if they really are important to them. There's another example now. Google has disclosed a security flaw with its Google Zero Day project. And so the way it works usually is that when a security flaw is discovered, in this case it's a security flaw in Windows, with a feature called administrator protection. This security flaw, what has been, of course, disclosed to Microsoft. So what happens is that Google tells Microsoft there's a security flaw, you got to fix it, and they stay at that. So nobody else knows. And after 60 or 90 days, I don't remember if it's 60 days, I think it's 60 days. If nothing has been done after a certain amount of time, what happens is that Google will go out in the open and say, okay, well, there's a security flaw in Windows, and tell it to the public. And so this is what happened with this update, this security flaw, basically, of the administrator protection. So what happens is that they told Microsoft there was a flaw. Microsoft fixed it halfway. It fixed part of it, and Google came back and said, well, it's not completely fixed. And since then, Microsoft has just not responded to Google on that. So Google this week has decided, well, all right, you've passed the deadline. Here it is. There's a security flaw, and now everybody knows about it. I guess the reason why Microsoft isn't doing anything about it, it's because this flaw, you have to have access to the computer, physical access to the computer, for you to exploit the flaw. And so maybe Microsoft deems that it's not really a big risk. Still, it's there, and now I guess Microsoft will have to do something about it, since Google has told the world, okay, here it is. There is a flaw, and this is what it looks like. So we'll see what happens. But, this is a continuing our discussion that we started already with a video that I posted about, does Microsoft really care about security at some point? Sometimes you're starting to wonder if yes or no. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.